Okay, ma'am.
Exercise you write down. Next you write in apnea you write APNEA apnea. You write down respiration ceases for several minutes. Apnea you write respiration ceases for several minutes. Respiration ceases for several minutes.
Ma'am, scissors.
For several minutes. This apnea especially occurs at night. Okay, when we are sleeping at that time for several minutes. Okay, onto me basi no hoy kintu ek dui minute or karone what happen? Our breathing ceases. Ceases means it stops. Okay, so that is also one alterations in respiration. Okay, write down respiration ceases for several minutes. At a full stop there, write down a potentially serious. It is a potentially serious. It is a potentially serious sleep disorder.
Ma'am, is it theory or practical?
It is practical or PSM practical.
Ma'am, itu ki koi topic tu mane ki mane?
Vital signs respiration.
Rao. Also.
A potentially serious sleep disorder. Likha. A potentially serious sleep disorder. A potentially serious sleep disorder. Sleep, SLEE, especially happens at night. Okay, when we sleep. Sleep disorder in which breathing.
Ma'am, this is from beginning or where from where did you start this?
What?
From where did you start this? I didn't understand. Vital
What,
signs of respiration? Yes, ma'am.
See, we have already started with this now, with this definition at first. Then there was characteristics of respiration, and then lastly is the alteration in respiration.
Yeah.
A potentially serious sleep disorder in which breathing repeatedly stops and starts. Write down. A potentially serious sleep disorder in which breathing repeatedly stops and starts. In which breathing repeatedly stops and starts. Okoman timer karone stop hoy jay kintu ako mane it used to start, because if it stops totally, what will happen? We'll be a dead person. Okay, so it is also a kind of disorder. It is a sleep disorder. Okay, last point you write down dyspnea. The last one is dyspnea. DYSPNOE, dyspnea. DYSPNOE, dyspnea. Put a dash and write down difficulty in breathing. Dyspnea, you write down difficulty in breathing. Difficulty in breathing. Difficulty in breathing characterized by increased effect, to inhale and exhale. Inhale means to inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Okay. Characterized by increased effect to inhale and exhale. Full stop. Examples, Dia. Examples you write down. Examples include. Write down exercise. Exercise you write, then tight clothing. Basic kapur jodi beshi tight hoy. Okay, then also we feel breathing difficulty. Tight clothing, TIGHT, tight clothing. Then you write comma, a prolonged period of bed rest. Prolonged period of bed rest or sedentary lifestyle. a prolonged period of bed rest or sedentary lifestyle. Okay, and it is very bad that kisumane mane just after having food they used to lie down on the bed. Okay, this will also not now but maybe in future they will suffer from dyspnea. Okay, that is breathing difficulty. It is not good to sleep directly after having food. You should at least take a gap of 1 ghanta নহলে বেশি নহলে at least 45 minutes gap দিব লাগে, then only you need to lie down on the bed. Okay, this is not good. বহুতে মানে and every time they are on the bed. Okay, eat sleep rest and it's a very bad lifestyle. Okay, you should have activities. Okay, you should go for morning walk, you should do exercise. Okay, you should eat healthy things. Good, understand? So all these things can also lead to dyspnea, and it is very bad that some of you sleep directly after having food, so it should be avoided. Okay, all this is not healthy for your body. So this is all about the alteration. So it is all about the alteration in respiration. Okay, if you missed out some points, I will just click the pictures and I will give you in your WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, the last time they give was little bit different. From apnea and dyspnea was little bit different in last time that you have provided us.
Apnea was different.
Yeah, ma'am. Apnea
Apnea
is little bit different.
Apnea is what? Apnea is a sleep disorder. Okay, when what happens is that when you are sleeping, sometimes for a few minutes our respiration stops, but again it comes back to normal. That is known as apnea. Apnea or dyspnea beleg hoy. Apnea especially occurs at night. Kisuman timer karone it's a sleep disorder. Kisuman timer karone what happen? Your breathing ceases mane stop hoy jay. Kintu dyspnea means breathing or difficulty. Ukhan nikhal word difficulty. That is known as dyspnea. These two are two beleg things. This is not same. Apnea or dyspnea is not same.
Ma'am, I mean the apnea last time that you give the definition was a bit different from today.
Oh, the definition.
The last definition about apnea and today
maybe it got mixed up, but you write the one which I'm telling you today. Okay.
Okay.
The one which I'm telling you today, you write that one, because it's a sleep disorder, and dyspnea can't be, it's not same with apnea. Apnea and dyspnea are two different things. Maybe the writings might be a bit like last time which I gave you and today which I'm giving you, it might be a bit similar or dissimilar, but the kotha to same way. Okay, but you do one thing, whatever I'm teaching you today, whatever I'm saying today, you write that one only. Okay, don't mix up with the previous class.
Yes, ma'am.
And even in your anatomy and physiology also you have vital signs, I guess. Temperature, pulse, respiration, blood pressure, all these things.
Yes,
Okay.
because of that I was a bit confused.
Maybe you got in your physiology or anatomy. Because alteration in respiration, I have not started today only I'm giving the notes. Then how can you get the notes in the last class? Maybe you got mixed up with your physiology class.
Last time we have given.
I don't know about physiology, into you write my notes
last
only.
time
Okay.
You had given about alteration in respiration.
Half I have given to. I have given only half.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so in the next class we will discuss about vital signs on blood pressure. Okay, so for today I will end the class here. Okay, you can join your other classes. Okay,
ma'am.
And thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye.